Hey, welcome back. It's your host, it's V. Let's go. So I'm always on the hunt for the best Thunderbolt dock out there, and today I picked up this one off Amazon for around $150. This dock is perfect for gamers or anyone who needs a high refresh rate setup. Why do you ask? Because it's one of the only modern Thunderbolt docks I know of that has 2 display ports. This means you can run 2, 3, or even 4 monitors at 240 Hz, as long as your computer supports it, of course. 5090 anyone? It's more on the budget side, but it packs enough features and functions that anyone would want, especially if you're rocking an M4 or M5 chipset from Apple. Overall, it's a solid choice with some very interesting features for the price. If you're looking for a powerful, budget-friendly Thunderbolt dock, you definitely want to check this one out. Inside the box, you'll find the paperwork, the instructions, and how everything connects. You'll get the power brick, which is fairly big and sort of chunky, but for a device like this, you sort of need that size to deliver enough power. There's also a Thunderbolt 4 cable, which is USB-C to Type-C. One end plugs into the dock, the other goes into your laptop, and then you have the actual power cable itself. That's pretty much everything you get in this setup. So with this Thunderbolt dock, the top features a nice material and overall a clean, simple design. On the front, you have a variety of ports to choose from. On the bottom, there are cutouts for ventilation to keep the dock nice and cool. This dock consumes a lot of power, so good airflow is important to prevent overheating. It also has 2 rubber feet to keep it from sliding around on any desk. On the back, you have an Ethernet port, the power input, the Thunderbolt port, 2 display ports, 1 HDMI, and a single USB 3.0 port. Personally, I prefer using display ports over HDMI just because they support higher refresh rates and offer more features. That's one of the main reasons why I picked this up. I can run both my monitors around 200 Hz refresh. With HDMI, you're either limited to 60 or 120 Hz, but DisplayPorts lets you push beyond that. On the front, you'll find 2 USB-C ports, you'll have 3 Type-A ports, a micro and full-size SD card slot, and a headphone port. Overall, you pretty much have everything you'll need to connect just about any device. And if you ever need more ports, Thunderbolt allows you to daisy chain multiple accessories together. This means you can have as many ports as you want, all running through just one cable to your computer. You could even plug in an iPad Pro and run everything off that single tablet if you want. This device makes it easy to mix and match devices without unplugging a million cables. One cable handles it all, and you can connect to multiple computers without hassle. Hands are important. They build, they design, and hold every single thing we've ever needed, but as we get older, they just sort of clock out. Everyone's rushing around, working non-stop, and being busy like it's a competitive sport. Sometimes we forget to stop and appreciate our hands. Maybe even give them a little hug. They deserve it. Audible lets your hands finally take a vacation. No holding, flipping, tapping, or anything else. One button press and boom, over 11,000 titles ready to flow straight into your brain. Thrillers, comedy, sci-fi, action, and more. You get 30 days free, you can cancel at any time, then it's only $14.95 a month. So you can give your hands a break, give your brain a workout, and let Audible carry the rest. Your hands will thank you. Try Audible today. For my personal and professional use, I've been using Thunderbolt docks for the last few years. I don't necessarily need this for my own home office setup. I have a Mac Studio at home, and I already have a Thunderbolt dock running off it. At the start of this video, I do run 3 monitors off my dock, so at home everything is pretty well covered and I don't really need another one there, but at my day job where I photograph car parts, this dock really shines there. I currently use an M2 MacBook Air and that was provided by my day job. Their equipment is quite not up to the level to work efficiently, so I picked up some gear to enhance my workflow and speed up production while reducing headaches. The M2 MacBook Air only has 2 Thunderbolt ports, which can be really limiting when you have a monitor, a keyboard, mouse, camera, and other accessories plugged in. Right now, this thing is on life support, so I figured it was time to set up my game, make my workstation look cleaner and more professional, and show how a Thunderbolt dock can really reduce clutter and improve your setup. All those cables and adapters get replaced with one cable. As it stands now, this Thunderbolt dock can deliver 80 watts of power to charge any laptop, MacBook Air, MacBook Pro, whatever you want, so I don't need a separate charging main cable anymore, so no more MagSafe. That's one less cable to worry about, so that's a huge plus. I also like docks with a power button, just because I can turn it off when I'm ready to leave. All these extra cables, I don't need these anymore. I'm finally saying goodbye to this giant spaghetti mess of wires. With one cable plugged in, I have everything connected and ready to go. I can put all these off to the side because they're no longer needed. Everything plugs directly to the back of the stock, making for a much cleaner and simpler setup. I've already replaced more than half the adapters and cables from my old setup. That's what I really like about these docks. They make my setup look so much cleaner and more organized. At my current workstation, I have about a 30-foot USB-C cable running directly from my camera to my computer for photo capturing. This setup allows me to transfer everything smoothly while keeping cables hidden and out of the way. Overall, it gives my setup a much cleaner appearance. Plus, on the front of my dock, I have an SD card slot and a micro one for photos. This makes transferring photos so much easier and simpler just because my MacBook Air does not have a card slot. I'm not a big fan of adapters or dongles, so having one device that handles everything is a huge convenience. Each day I shoot around 500 raw photos, which can also slow down my workflow. Being able to plug everything in directly and transfer files quickly saves me a lot of time. As the months go by, I'm always looking to add more to my battle station. Even using my M2 MacBook Air, I can power everything easily through my Thunderbolt dock. I can run multiple cables and accessories all from one connection. Plus, I can easily hot swap between different computers, literally just one cable from one computer to another. This flexibility lets me mix and match devices without hassle. Recently, I picked up a couple more monitors to enhance my overall battle station. I'm a big fan of ultra-wide monitors for my workflow just because the wider screens fits more content in frame. I can easily run two monitors at the same time with one cable, with extra hardware of course. Our MacBook Air models, there are only two ports, so that can really be limiting with what you plug in. I'm always tweaking and improving my setups wherever I go to make my battle station better. Thunderbolt docks are a crucial piece of that puzzle, helping everything run smoothly and efficiently. Having a dock like this is absolutely a must-have for me because it allows me to run 2, 3, 4 different monitors at the same time off one cable, plus a bunch of accessories, cameras, SD cards, you name it, all through one cable to my computer. Even with my M2 MacBook Air, I can easily power multiple monitors, accessories, and peripherals from a single connection, which is a huge plus in my book. What I really like about the stock is that it has two display ports, and that's a big deal for me. Around $150, that's definitely more around the budget side. This stock fits perfectly with my workflow. It transforms a messy tangle of cables, dongles, and accessories into a neat, clean setup. I've always been a fan of Thunderbolt docks, and considering the ports, the price, and the slim design of one, it's a great option. If you're looking for something compact, which you can easily tuck away and hide, this dock is definitely worth checking out. For me, it's a major win. So like always, it's your host, it's V, stay classy.